Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on the browser. First, open your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and navigate to the official Roblox website. Once there, you'll need to either log into your existing account or quickly create a new one if you're a first-time player. It's a straightforward process that gets you into the action quickly, allowing you to explore countless games right from your desktop. Make sure your browser is up to date for the best experience. After logging in, you'll see the main Roblox dashboard, filled with a vast array of games. Take your time to explore the different categories and find something that sparks your interest. When you've chosen a game, simply click on its icon to go to its dedicated page. From there, locate and click the prominent green play button, and the game will begin loading directly within your browser window. It's that simple to jump into a new adventure. Sometimes you might encounter minor hiccups while playing. If a game isn't loading correctly or you experience lag, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This often resolves common performance issues. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable. A strong connection is crucial for smooth gameplay. If problems continue, switching to another browser, such as Edge or Safari, might offer a better experience. These simple steps can help keep your gaming session enjoyable. To truly enhance your Roblox experience, consider optimizing your browser settings. Disabling unnecessary extensions can free up resources, leading to smoother gameplay. Also, don't forget that Roblox offers more than just playing. You can dive into Roblox Studio and unleash your creativity by building your own worlds and games. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed during your gaming sessions. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.